feels good to be back racing. We came out here for our first time this weekend after 6 months of being in lockdown from the corona. So now that for the purpose of the interview, for clarity of the voice, I will remove my mask for the first time this weekend, as it was a safety protocol that we put in place for the COVID-19. It was a good weekend. We executed with no issues, all safety guidelines were maintained. A lot of cars came out. I think we had about 50 cars or so. I don't have an exact count on it as yet, but I know those cars ran. Persons got faster than they were earlier this year and last year. So you can see, even though things were on lockdown, people utilize that time to make the cars faster, which is good. It goes to show that there's still a passion and a drive to see drag racing grow in Jamaica. So we're glad to know that we were able to facilitate this weekend event. I mean, in terms of spectators, there were no spectators to witness anything here, but we have some footage provided by 876 Streets as usual. But it was good to know that we were able to facilitate those who wanted to test and to see where the cars were and reduce the risk that persons you hear about with illegal street racing and stuff like that. That's what really drove us to organizing this weekend. So it was a last minute decision when we got a little bit with a clearance with the limitation and amount of persons we can have gathered. That came out on the 14th or 15th of July. So we made a decision and pulled this off together. We had some track bites sitting here in preparation from the March meet that was cancelled. So we sent out some messages, got some racers interested, and they came out and tested, and persons ran the car all day yesterday, all day today. Persons tweaked and got fast, and we're very happy for that. It was a exciting weekend. Good to be back out here, seeing friends, families, who race together coming out and hearing the cars and the smell of the race gas and the burning of the rubber. It just brought back a lot of feelings of when we had the huge events going on, and we're looking forward to those days returning. We're glad that we were able to pull this off safely, and we saw the racers and teams that came out to participate. Persons maintain the social distancing, persons wearing masks, and persons continuously washing their hands at the sanitation facilities. So it was good to see all of that. So I guess if we're still on lockdown, we can still try to organize something like this again and push forward and keep doing good stuff and show the general public that we as drag racers, we still have some amount of organization amongst ourselves, and we can still come out and safely participate in events like these and satisfy the need for speed. So thank you for everybody who came out. Thank you for those who stayed home and joined us for updates on social media. And again, thank you, Kedron from 876 Streets, for always being there, supporting us and helping us to pull things off. We operated on a small budget for the weekend, a small staff, but even you came up and helped us to keep everything organized and together while some persons possibly needed to eat or just move around. But it's a collective effort from all of us who love drag racing and love motorsports for Jamaica. So thank you for your support. Thank you for everybody that wished us well, and we're looking forward to actually get back into real actual events pretty soon. But if not, then you can look forward to another date like this. So thanks again. Big up to Jamwest Speedway for hosting us this weekend, allowing us to use the facility. And thank you to 876 Streets for coverage. Thank you to Elite Lifestyle from St. Elizabeth, who came and gave us some assistance with track prep and maintenance and all of that. Brother, mother, family, everybody came out and helped us. KenT Racing did a good job this weekend. So once again, thank you, and we love the support, and we just want to give God thanks for a safe and productive, successful weekend. So tune in, stay tuned for more updates as they develop, and big up the 76 streets.